Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior, a tan interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, premium Burmester sound system, rear seats, sunroof again, memory seats, heated seats, driver's seat and driver door controls, driver's seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 20,997, and we have a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.